Welcome to the mesmerizing world of jellyfish, ethereal creatures that captivate with their otherworldly beauty and graceful movements. These fascinating beings, also known as jellies or sea jellies, belong to the phylum Cnidaria and inhabit oceans across the globe, exhibiting an astounding diversity in shapes and colors. From the moon jellyfish to the lion's mane and the formidable box jellyfish, each species is a testament to the wonder of nature. Despite their seemingly delicate structures, jellyfish are remarkably resilient, adapting to a range of environmental conditions from shallow coastal waters to deep ocean trenches and even freshwater lakes and rivers. But don't let their gentle appearance fool you. Beneath their pulsating bell-like bodies lie formidable hunting abilities. Equipped with stinging tentacles, they are highly efficient predators, capturing prey and defending themselves against potential threats. Despite their simple body structure, jellyfish are incredibly efficient predators, using their stinging tentacles to capture prey and defend themselves against predators. Jellyfish, also known as jellies or sea jellies, belong to the phylum Cnidaria and are found in oceans all around the world. With over 2,000 known species, these aquatic marvels come in a myriad of shapes, sizes, and colors, each more fascinating than the next. Their bodies, though seemingly simple, are marvels of biological design. The bell or umbrella, as it's often called, is the main part of a jellyfish's body. It's this part that contracts and expands, allowing the jelly to move through the water. But it's not just a means of transportation. The bell also houses the creature's rudimentary nervous system, stomach, and mouth. Dangling from the bell are the jellyfish's infamous tentacles. Loaded with specialized cells called cnidocytes, these tentacles are the jellyfish's primary means of defense and hunting. Each cnidocyte is like a tiny harpoon gun, firing a barbed thread and a dose of venom when touched. This is what gives jellyfish their characteristic sting. But not all jellies are the same. Some, like the tiny irukandji jellyfish, carry venom potent enough to pose a serious threat to humans. Others, like the lion's mane jellyfish, have tentacles that can reach lengths of over 36 meters, making it one of the longest creatures in the world. But don't let their stinging reputation scare you off. Jellyfish aren't just floating terrors. They're also incredibly resilient survivors. They've been around for more than 500 million years, making them one of the oldest living creatures on our planet. They can thrive in a variety of water conditions, from the freezing cold to the scorching hot, from the shallow coastal waters to the deep, dark depths of the ocean trenches. One of the most remarkable aspects of jellyfish is their ability to adapt to a wide range of environmental conditions. Whether it's the freshwater lakes of North America or the brackish waters of Asia, these resilient creatures have found a way to survive and thrive. Their unique biology and remarkable adaptability truly make them one of the ocean's most intriguing inhabitants. However, jellyfish populations have been increasing in recent years, leading to blooms or large aggregations that can have significant impacts on marine ecosystems and human activities. Jellyfish are known for their ability to reproduce quickly and in large numbers, especially when conditions are favorable. This results in what we call jellyfish blooms, which can sometimes cover hundreds of square miles of ocean. These blooms are not a new phenomenon. They have been occurring naturally for millions of years, often as a response to changes in water temperature and food availability. But in recent times, we have been observing more frequent and larger blooms. Now, you may ask, why is that? Well, several factors are contributing to this increase. Overfishing is one major culprit. By removing large numbers of fish from the sea, we're reducing competition for food, leaving more for jellyfish to consume. In essence, we're setting the dinner table for a jellyfish feast. Another factor is pollution. Nutrient-rich runoff from agriculture and industry creates ideal conditions for the rapid growth of microscopic organisms that jellyfish feed on. This means more food for jellyfish, leading to more jellyfish. And let's not forget climate change. With rising sea temperatures, jellyfish, which can thrive in warmer waters, have a competitive advantage over other marine species. But what does this mean for the rest of us? Well, jellyfish blooms can disrupt marine ecosystems, outcompete fish for food, and even cause large-scale fish die-offs. They can also cause problems for humans, from stinging swimmers to clogging up cooling systems of power plants. So while we might marvel at the sight of a jellyfish bloom, we must also recognize the challenges they present. It's a stark reminder of how interconnected our actions are with the health of our oceans, and it underscores the need for us to act responsibly and sustainably. Factors such as overfishing, pollution, and climate change are believed to contribute to the proliferation of jellyfish. It's clear that our actions are having an impact, and it's up to us to decide what kind of impact we want that to be. Despite their reputation as pests, jellyfish play an important role in marine ecosystems. Often misunderstood due to their simple yet elegant structure and their occasional blooms, jellyfish are, in fact, essential players in the underwater world. Imagine for a moment the ocean as a grand theater. In this theater, every creature, big or small, has a role to play, and our jellyfish are no different. They are the unsung heroes, silently contributing to the marine world in ways we are only beginning to understand. Predominantly, jellyfish serve as a crucial food source for a myriad of marine animals. From the smallest fish to the largest sea turtles, many species rely on jellyfish for sustenance. Even birds, swooping down from above, partake in this jellyfish feast, illustrating the far-reaching impact of these gelatinous beings. But it's not just about being food. Jellyfish are also hunters, using their stinging tentacles to capture zooplankton and small fish. This hunting not only satiates their hunger, but also helps regulate the population of these smaller organisms. In this way, jellyfish maintain a delicate balance, ensuring no single species dominates the ocean's buffet. Moreover, jellyfish contribute to nutrient cycling in the ocean. When they die and decompose, they release nutrients back into the water, providing nourishment for other marine organisms. This process, in turn, supports the overall productivity of the ocean. Lastly, let's not forget the symbiotic relationships jellyfish form with other marine life. Certain species of fish and even baby crabs find shelter among the tentacles of larger jellyfish. This not only provides these smaller creatures with protection from predators, but also offers them a free ride through the vast ocean. In essence, jellyfish are not just aimless drifters in the sea. They are active participants in the marine ecosystem, contributing to its overall health and balance through their various roles. They serve as food for a variety of predators, including sea turtles, fish, and birds, and help regulate populations of zooplankton and other small organisms. So let's give these unsung heroes the recognition they deserve as we continue unraveling the mysteries of our oceans. As stewards of the oceans, it is our responsibility to understand and mitigate the impacts of jellyfish blooms on marine ecosystems and human activities. The delicate dance of the jellyfish in our oceans is a spectacle of nature's beauty, but their increasing numbers are a call to action. But fear not, there are conservation efforts in place to ensure the survival and balance of our marine ecosystems. First, there's sustainable fisheries management. Overfishing reduces the number of fish that feed on jellyfish larvae, leading to a rise in jellyfish populations. By managing our fisheries in a sustainable manner, we can help restore the balance. This means fishing responsibly, respecting seasonal closures, size, and bag limits, and avoiding areas with high ecological importance. But it's not just about what we take out of the ocean, it's also about what we put into it. Plastic pollution is another major concern. Jellyfish often mistake floating plastic debris for food, leading to injury or death. By reducing our use of single-use plastics, we can decrease the amount of plastic that ends up in our oceans and in the stomachs of jellyfish. Lastly, we need to address the elephant in the room: climate change. Warmer ocean temperatures and altered currents due to climate change can create environments that jellyfish thrive in. By reducing our greenhouse gas emissions, we can slow the rate of global warming and help protect our oceans. This can be achieved by adopting renewable energy sources, promoting energy efficiency, and protecting and restoring our forests. So, let's take a moment to appreciate the incredible adaptability of these ethereal creatures. They've been around for hundreds of millions of years, surviving multiple mass extinctions, and yet they still float gracefully in our oceans, captivating us with their beauty. Conservation efforts, such as sustainable fisheries management, reducing plastic pollution, and addressing climate change, are crucial for maintaining the balance of marine ecosystems. Let's ensure that jellyfish and the myriad of life beneath the waves continue to thrive for generations to come. By working together to address these challenges, we can ensure that jellyfish continue to inspire wonder and awe in future generations, and that our oceans remain healthy and vibrant for all life forms. The world of jellyfish, with their enchanting beauty and graceful movements, has allowed us to delve into a fascinating part of our marine ecosystem. Despite their seemingly simple structure, these creatures play a crucial role in our oceans, from being efficient predators to serving as a vital food source for other marine life. However, the increase in jellyfish populations, a result of factors such as overfishing, pollution, and climate change, serves as a stark reminder of the delicate balance of our ecosystems. It is up to us, as custodians of the ocean, to mitigate these impacts and ensure the sustainability of our marine life. From reducing plastic pollution to addressing climate change, every action counts. So let us join hands in protecting the delicate beauty of the ocean and the creatures that call it home.